This is an urgent alert. Please stand by. The following tones will activate the emergency alert system.
The following is a civil emergency message issued by the North American Aerospace Defense Command and the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration. At 2:02 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, a localized atmospheric transparency event will occur. For a duration of exactly 14 minutes and 22 seconds, the sun will be visible at 90 degrees overhead across all longitudes currently experiencing nighttime. This is a Level 5 cosmic phenomenon warning. The following safety protocols are mandatory. Do not look at the sky. Although it is 2 a.m., the luminosity will exceed midday levels. Permanent retinal damage will occur instantly. Close all heavy draperies. If you do not have curtains, move to a room without windows or a basement. Do not attempt to record the event. Digital and analog sensors are experiencing overflow errors. Pointing cameras at the midnight sun will result in hardware combustion. Ignore all auditory hallucinations. Atmospheric resonance may cause the sensation of humming or rhythmic chanting during the period of illumination. This is a known byproduct of the displacement. Do not be alarmed by the lack of shadows. During the midnight sun event, light will originate from all directions simultaneously. If you are currently outdoors and cannot reach a permanent structure, lie face down on the ground and cover your head with your arms. Do not look up until you hear the 3-tone all-clear signal, regardless of what you feel touching you. Standard darkness is scheduled to resume at 2:16 a.m.
The sky is opening.